sun rising, everyone. It's really nice and beautiful. Welcome back to our channel. And this is the continuation of our last project that we're done, and now hasn't been it's been a while. It's winter, but yeah, everything hasn't really come up very well in this area. It's summer, but as you can see, it's full of weeds because I did see snake in this area. So once I see something, it took you a while to go back to it. But you learn the lesson, learn something, and come up with solution. So anyway, yeah, we start doing this concrete and putting design to it, and you lay fabric underneath, and doing the concrete. We actually use two templates. This is the fun part. Yeah, I used last time we done this. I step on one template, then step another one. That was fun. Yeah. Being a child is sometimes anyway. Yeah, this is how we done it. It's very bad walk. Yes, happy chickens. Have you noticed animals lately that want to eat the pellets? See this, we mix concrete, a mixer. This mixer, I think the bag's empty. This bag of sand and rocks are empty. And let's go back to there. I think we use one bag of cement per length of garden bed, so that's gonna be a fair bit. But we're only doing bit by bit. We're not gonna do this in one day, but I'll give an update for next time, that which side we gonna do next time. But still a fair bit to go around though. So this length, this area, that area, and I'm not sure if we're gonna do the outside. Then I'm gonna probably plant dragon fruit along the fence line and see how we go, and replant this garden beds for this coming spring. So anyway, these are the having a fair bit of talking, and it's time to go back and the concreting. Still halfway. Yeah, 2 more bags of cement to do. I spray 4 mixer. So. And the airplane's coming again. I see the airplanes lately. Anyway, it is getting hot, but I'm still wearing jumper. It's good to be back and have some exciting news for all of you guys. So anyway, if you like this video, share, like, subscribe. You know the drills, but anyway, it's up to you if you wanna do all of that sort of stuff. But thank you anyway, and have a wonderful day. Bye.